this up over there. Yeah, we're right there. And then just set it firm and put the chicken on there. So I'm gonna teach you like that to make some dressing. So you like that, here you go. Feel that out first. You can angle it. Bring your hand down some more. Bring your hand down to here. No, don't worry that. Yeah, just like that. Firm grip. Alright, so open the pan. Alright, so first one I say, oh, so chicken, right? So I leave them out on We've done it around here, here, right here.
This is PZ Music.
Well, you can fix it in the pan, you know, like if you're doing like this, it makes things good. Like this. So turn it around and try to get a firm grip. Like here, you know, with a firm grip, and then squeeze it up. Get a firm grip. If you're gonna do this, you can't be afraid of it. And then you drop it right here. Right. Don't be afraid of it. Grab it up. You roll this thing. Put it right there. Alright guys, so lesson number one, how you think that? How you think you did?
Pretty good.
That was good. That was good. Remember, you roll it, you're trying to make it don't fall on the ground. So you know, hold it with a firm grip in your hand. As time go by, you're closing your grill now. As time go by, you get enough. You're gonna let in a little bit of. And then there's another one here. Again, just. As I said, you run this thing.
This is PZ Music.
Growing up in Jamaica, as a kid, you'd be happy to find to get a piece of jerk chicken. And it's always good. And the people who do it is always some people who know what they're doing.
What's in this?
Okay, so this now are the peas. I'm gonna cook some red beans and rice. You guys call it red beans, we just call it red peas and rice. Or rice and peas in Jamaica, we call it rice and peas. You understand? So this is the peas. I have to cook it first because it's tough. So I have to cook it first. Alright, so open up. Alright. So listen to me, this is how you're going to know that they want to turn. Look underneath them, they see it as a brown color. Like the color is changing. So you're gonna start flipping them. Flip one. How they look, you see, they look like under there is burning. Flip them. Flip this one first. Flip it. Oh, even look, just flip this. Flip the other one too. Look good?
Look good.
Alright, this one.
This one?
No, this one. Leave that one. This one. Yep. Good. Put this part of it up in here and make it fit. You know, we're trying to close up space. No, leave that. That's okay. That's almost done. So we're just leaving that to get heat. Flip. We're gonna start seasoning the pot. Alright, so getting my stuff. Carrot. Some scallion. Tomato. These are gonna use in a different pot though. This is not for the rice. So we're gonna put these over. So,
This right here.
yeah, it's that, but it's just the hard one.
This is the old one.
Yeah, that's an old one. That's one that's ready for like baking cakes. You grate that, you still can get the juice from that or whatever. But this is a different texture. It's more tough. This one is more tough.
The hairs are a lot brutal.
Yeah, so that shows you it's whole with it. This is a coconut milk. This is powdery stuff. I'll show you. So this powdery stuff. This is the way they process it and make it, but it still tastes natural. It still tastes real, you know? This is gonna make the rice have a kind of nice, smooth tasting. Remember, we still got chicken out there.
Alright.
Alright, so you see cooking is a whole lot of different stuff. So this is the milk, coconut milk. See that color already in the pot? Look in the pot.
Pinkish.
So that's a mixture from the peas and
The butter.
The butter and the milk. Alright. Mix that together like so. Now this skeleton. You know this, right?
Yeah, scallions.
Yeah. What do you call it?
I call them scallions.
Scallions.
It's like an accent.
Okay, so that's skilling. You want to put a piece of garlic, add a piece of garlic to your pot. Always add a piece of garlic. How I do it? I crush. Just do it like this. This is the old people style. Crush it and do it like this. When I put the rice and everything and it finish cook, you probably swell past this. Probably past it.
It's like 4 pots worth of rice.
And that's how rice works. If you start to boil it with froth and mess up the stove, so you turn on the stove a little bit. So you see when you take up the pot cover and you see all that water and you take go like this. And then it will drain off in there. Right? And then it don't drain off, it's like this. You won't wait up the floor. Boom, stir up. Stir up that. It's hot? Is it hot? Stir it like a serious, like you want to stir it, okay? That, yeah. Alright, that's good, that's good. You want to taste it now, like get some of the juice, tap it in your hand middle. When you taste it,
I taste the coconut milk.
you taste the coconut milk.
It just needs a little something in it
You need, alright.
to give it a little kick.
Alright, you're going on good, you're going on good. So, the main thing you want right now in there is salt. This is salt. Remember when I tell you if you taste it now, you don't have to take up none. You just, yeah, just, boom, hand me. You take up too much
There
just
we go.
now.
Still take it.
Alright. So the rice, you just basically have to judge it to see the amount of rice you want in the pot. You don't want too much. We're live with Kennygoodvibestv.
Got your good vibe, got you. In the good vibe kitchen. Making carrot juice.
Put some water in there. Put some in the blender top. Taste out the blender. What?
I'm not going to eat yours. I just want carrot.
I actually just want to eat my carrot. Okay. So this is carrot juice. It's carrot and ginger. And I'm just doing the blending. So I'm going to sweeten it and all that. So it's not going to be just fresh old carrot juice. Alright? So don't worry. When the time comes, you'll see what I'm talking about. That's good. Got these two dudes right here. See right there.
Ready?
Yeah. Let me open this for you. Take out those two pieces. Take them right out. Flip those. Flip that one. Alright, take out that one. Leave it.
Take out this one.
Look on the back of it first. Flip it a little bit and leave it just a little bit.
There?
Yeah, flip it. Yeah, leave it right there. So those ready. Looking good?
Looking good.
Alright, let's start it. You're the chef today. Over here we have Chef Elijah in the kitchen. Click the subscribe button. There's a click the subscribe button. Got some cinnamon powder. Put some cinnamon in there. Alright, so go like this. We're gonna also use some sugar too.
Oh, it smells good.
Smell good?
I don't smell soap no more.
It don't smell like soap, bro. My carrot juice won't smell like soap.
Hey, when did the first process, it was giving me that finished dish soapy smell. And now it just smells like Apple Jacks.
Alright, so the cinnamon is powder, so you know, you have to mix out that.
But carrot juice is easy to make, right?
Just like I made it.
I have to make this when I get back home.
Just like I need some space. Need some space. Alright.
I'll take that plate. Pretty good.
Like it?
I like it.
So be proud of yourself. Okay.
It
I'm putting
tastes amazing.